What's good, everybody? So I thought I would do something a little different. I want to do a video on locking your wheel. Now, most of you should know what locking your wheel is. If you don't know, that's when you put your key into your ignition, turn it all the way to the left, and it locks the wheel for you. That way, it's supposed to be a theft deterrent, keeps people from stealing or running off with your bike or walking off with your bike. You see lots and lots of video of people showing you, oh, this is how you lock your wheel. I want to see a video, which I have not seen, is when you lock your wheel, what does it actually look like if someone were to try to walk off with your bike, right? And that's what I want to do today. So let's do that. Let's get it. So yeah, that was pretty much me testing it out. As you can see that it did go in the loop. Each loop would go a little bit further past the last loop, but for you to travel in a loop like that, no, you wouldn't really be going very far. So it does work in that aspect. However, locking your wheel is not, you shouldn't rely on that. That shouldn't be your number one theft deterrent. You should definitely get a lock, because if you put enough strength behind it, you can actually break the steering column, and by breaking it, it will unlock it and you can walk straight off with it. But for the most part, for little quick ins and out to the grocery stores and you don't have your lock on you don't feel like bringing your lock or your chain, then yeah, locking your wheel is perfectly fine and the best option for that scenario. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel, which is Ramen on Wheels, aka the Romobile. Check it out, the Romobile over there. Boy, it is hot. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Shauna is out. Ramen is out. Deuces.